how to change your voice on Snapchat. So, the very first step is to open your Snapchat app, and then you should click on filters right here. And then, once you have done that, you just simply click on the search bar right here and type in voice changer. And then select the voice changer that you want. For example, you want the chipmunk, you want the baby voice filter, or etc. So choose that filter and then record yourself. And then as you preview your video, you might now have the voice effect or voice filter on Snapchat. So again, what you're going to do is to go to your Snapchat app, click on the filter icon found on the right of this capture button, and then click on the search bar right here, type in voice changer, and then choose the voice that you want. So, um, then you may record your video, and then that's it. That's how you can change your voice on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.